everyone. Welcome to today's episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Ife West. If this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I will be talking about a love spell, a very simple and powerful love spell. This one is for the ladies. This is the way to keep your husband or your love interest from going astray. It's a very simple spell. It is another urine spell, and it is very necessary in these days, especially since we are approaching this December period where there's a lot of partying and festivities. A lot of men will be giving excuses that they have a lot of business meetups to do. They have a lot of responsibilities. They are going out to make money. They are going out to meet quotas. They are under pressure from their boss. And they are spending time with other women outside the house. So this is a very simple and powerful spell to keep your man at home. We have these situations whereby most men always run away from the home. They just make babies and they leave everything for the woman, and they keep going out. After they close from work, they refuse to come home. They will go and be hanging out in the beer parlor or the sport bar or doing other unnecessary things, while the lady will just be at home taking care of the children and doing all the work. This is not so good. It is not exactly balanced. If you will ask me, there is need for the man to be around from time to time, to be helping around the house with the heavy lifting, and also providing moral support and guidance, and just be there to be overseeing things, if nothing, just to be chilling out at home. So this is a spell that women can use to make sure that your man stays home as much as possible, or always come back quickly to the home whenever they go outside. Okay, this is a simple spell, and it is done with urine. It is called the urine fit spell. It simply entails you as the lady. Quite naturally, normally you are the one that washes the clothes of your husband. So you always wash his clothes as usual. Every time he puts his dirty clothes down, you gather them and help him to wash them. You will continually, dutifully washing them. The only thing is that the socks, you are going to get all his socks that he wears inside his shoe. You get the socks. You wash the socks quite normally. But this time, after washing the socks, you are going to soak the socks in your urine. You put all of them in your bucket and you pee on them. It's a urine spell. You pee on them, then you soak them in your urine, then you call them, or you call his name 9 times. You call his name 9 times, then you tell him, you say, wherever you go to, you must always come back quickly to me. Your feet must always come back to me as quickly as possible. No matter where you go to, your feet must always carry you back to me as fast and as quickly as possible. This is what you need to say. Then you dry the socks, you sun them. Most times fresh urine do not smell so bad, do not smell, but if you are afraid that the urines are going to smell, you, after rinsing them with the urine, you will spray some perfume on the socks. Spray perfume on the socks, you iron them, you put in where you will get them. He wears his socks and he goes to work. What this will do is that he will always be coming back home as quickly as possible. When he has done with all the necessary things, he will not just know what will happen, he will just be coming back to meet you. He will just be coming back all the time. So he will not be spending too much time outside the house or keeping late nights or hanging out with friends that are not good for him. Okay, so he will always be his leg will be carrying like a raised horse back to the home. Okay, so this is a very simple spell. It's just the socks. You wash the socks. After washing them clean, you rinse them with your urine, fresh urine. Then you dry them and you put them back and let him wear them. You call his name 9 times. You tell him his leg will always find their way back to you. We always carry him back to you wherever he goes. Okay. So this is what you need to be doing to keep your man at home and to keep your man close to you. If you do this, he will not be going to other women. When he tries to go there, it will not work out well for him. He will always be finding himself back home to you. He will always coming back home, and that way you get to keep your man close to you as much as possible. You get to spend quality time with your man, and you get to secure your marriage or your love life in the long run. So it's a win-win situation for everybody, and it's a very good thing as well. So this is the spell. This is the season of Christmas, as we know, is the season of giving. So I'll be doing lots of love spell in this on this channel, but they are going to be on my membership for my people that I enrolled to study. I will not be bringing them public. I have a lot of powerful love spell that are explosive, but I will not be putting them on the public YouTube. Those will be exclusive for my students. If you want to get access to those spells, you have to register and you join so you can watch those videos. Okay, so in the spirit of Christmas, I'll be doing a lot of spells, easy, powerful spells that people can use to bring love. I'll focus on money spells and love spell. These are the two spells I'll be doing for this season, for the next 1 month. Money spells and love spell, money spells and love spell. This is two major problems in the life of every human being. So I will focus on those spells for now. Hopefully, we cash on people that are having issues. You try them, they will work, and your situation will change, and you'll be happy. And don't forget to thank me later or show your gratitude to this channel. Okay, with that being said, I wish you a very wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye. Peace.